Seesaw is another technology tool that I used in my classroom. When you sign up for Seesaw, you'll put in your information, your email, and then you create a class and add each student's name. In our classroom, we have a QR code posted on the wall, and students know to grab their iPad, log on to Seesaw, or open up the Seesaw app and go find the QR code to scan, which brings them into the classroom. Now, I've used this app in various ways. I've had students record their work and submit it so that I can later check it. And they do that by clicking the green plus sign. And under the students account, it'll bring them to this page, and they can take a photo, a video, they can do their own drawing, etc. And then they add it to their own personal journal. You can also print off student codes and send it to the families, and they can log on to see their own child's work, and they can only see their child, no one else's. So if you go over here to activities, here is where I will assign specific activities for the students to do. It already has a few that they suggest that are related to various content areas. This is one that we did specifically where they had to unscramble the sight words, put them in order, and then once they did so, they recorded themselves reading each sight word. So there's just a lot of ideas that you can do with Seesaw, like create your own, use the ones that are here, use it as a great parent communication tool as well. And so I would also very much recommend this as a technology tool to use in your classroom.